5 rare natural phenomena that look impossible but are real. Our planet is full of wonders, but some natural events are so rare and surreal that they seem impossible, like illusions or scenes from another world. From glowing oceans to fire falling from the sky, these spectacles defy belief, yet they are 100% real. Today, we uncover 5 rare natural phenomena that look impossible, but are some of the most breathtaking displays nature has to offer. Number 1. Volcanic lightning. When fire and thunder collide. Imagine standing near a volcano as it erupts. Lava fountains shooting skyward, ash billowing into the atmosphere. And then suddenly lightning forks across the darkness, turning the sky into a battlefield of fire and thunder. This spectacular event is known as volcanic lightning, or dirty thunderstorms. But how does it happen? When a volcano erupts, it ejects ash particles, rock fragments, and gases at incredible speeds. These particles crash into each other, generating static electricity, much like when you rub a balloon on your hair. When the charge builds high enough, it discharges as lightning. It's nature's most terrifying fireworks show. The raw power of Earth's interior colliding with the atmosphere above. One of the most famous displays occurred in 2010 at Eyjafjallajökull in Iceland, when massive lightning storms lit up ash clouds for hours, grounding flights across Europe. In Japan, Mount Sakurajima is infamous for frequent volcanic lightning, and in 1980, Mount St. Helens in the US also produced a fiery electrical storm. For centuries, people believed volcanic lightning was a sign of angry gods. Today, scientists study it to understand atmospheric electricity, volcanic behavior, and even how life's building blocks may have formed on early Earth. Number 2. Bioluminescent waves. Oceans that glow. Now, imagine standing on a beach at night. The waves roll in, and with every crash, they explode in a glow of electric blue light, as if the ocean itself is alive. This breathtaking phenomenon is called bioluminescence. It's caused by tiny organisms, often dinoflagellates, that emit light when disturbed. This chemical reaction, called luciferin oxidation, is similar to how fireflies glow. But here, it transforms entire shorelines into magical glowing landscapes. Beaches in Puerto Rico's Mosquito Bay, the Maldives, and parts of California are famous for these glowing waters. But the conditions must be just right. Warm water, calm seas, and high concentrations of bioluminescent plankton. Throughout history, sailors described glowing oceans in their journals. Some called them milky seas, mysterious glowing expanses that stretched for kilometers, lighting up entire horizons. Today, satellites can even detect these rare glowing patches from space. Beyond their beauty, these organisms play critical roles in marine ecosystems. They are food for countless species and indicators of ocean health. But on rare nights, they remind us that even the sea itself can shine with life's hidden light. Number 3. Fire rainbows. Colors in the sky. Rainbows are already magical, but imagine looking up and seeing a fiery streak of rainbow colors spread like a glowing flame across the sky. This phenomenon is known as a fire rainbow, or more scientifically, a circumhorizontal arc. Unlike normal rainbows, which are formed by raindrops refracting light, fire rainbows are created by ice crystals in high cirrus clouds. When the sun is very high, at least 58 degrees above the horizon, its rays strike the flat, hexagonal ice crystals, splitting into a spectrum of colors that spread horizontally like a flame. The result? A rainbow that looks as if the sky itself has caught fire. These displays are rare because they require 3 perfect conditions. 1. The right kind of cirrus clouds. 2. Ice crystals aligned just right. 3. The sun at the perfect high angle. That's why they're most often seen in mid-latitude regions during summer. To ancient cultures, fiery skies often symbolized omens or divine messages. Today, people still mistake fire rainbows for UFOs or strange atmospheric events, but in truth, they're simply sunlight and ice creating one of Earth's most dazzling spectacles. 4. The green flash. Sunset's secret. Picture the sun sinking below the horizon. Just as it disappears, the last edge of light flickers, and instead of orange or red, it suddenly turns bright green. This fleeting event is called the green flash. It happens because Earth's atmosphere bends or refracts sunlight. As the sun sets, the atmosphere acts like a prism, splitting the colors. Red and orange pass through more easily, while blue and green are bent upward. For just a second, the top edge of the sun glows green. It's so brief that you can blink and miss it. But catch it, and it feels like magic. Green flashes are most often seen over flat horizons like the ocean or desert plains, where the view is unobstructed. Sailors have reported them for centuries, sometimes treating them as good omens for voyages. Even in literature, the green flash has been romanticized as a mystical sign. Jules Verne wrote that those who see it will never again be deceived in matters of the heart. Science explains it, but the wonder remains. 5. Ball lightning, the floating fire orb. And now, perhaps the strangest of all, glowing orbs of light that appear during thunderstorms, hovering eerily, moving unpredictably, and vanishing with a hiss or a bang. This is ball lightning, one of nature's greatest mysteries. Reports of ball lightning go back centuries. Witnesses describe glowing spheres ranging from a few centimeters to several meters wide, often appearing near the ground during storms. Unlike ordinary lightning, which lasts for a split second, ball lightning can linger for seconds, even passing through windows or walls before fading. Famous figures like Nikola Tesla studied it, and scientists still debate its cause. Some theories suggest vaporized silica in the soil. Others propose plasma trapped in electromagnetic fields. But despite modern research, no one fully understands ball lightning. It remains a rare and baffling natural enigma. For those who see it, the experience is unforgettable. A glowing fire orb dancing across a stormy sky, blurring the line between science and the supernatural. These rare events remind us that even in a world we think we understand, nature still holds mysteries. They inspire myths and legends, from glowing seas thought to be enchanted to fiery skies seen as signs from gods. They challenge scientists to push deeper, to study atmospheric physics, biochemistry, and optics. And they leave ordinary people speechless, standing in awe under a sky or ocean, transformed into something unearthly. Each one is proof that the natural world is stranger, more powerful, and more beautiful than we can imagine. So, the next time you look at the sky or walk along the ocean, remember, the impossible may be closer than you think. From glowing waves to fiery skies, Earth is a stage for rare spectacles that defy belief. Which of these phenomena would you most want to witness in person? Tell us in the comments sections. And don't forget to press the like button and then subscribe to the Extremes of Reality channel for more journeys into the rare, the common, and the abundant.